Hey guys, this next project I'm taking you to is right on the beach I grew up on. With this house directly on the ocean, we're going to be looking for corrosion due to the exposure of the salt air. Originally, this project behind me started out as a repair. The roofer installed copper drip edge, but installed a galvanized tile eave closure just above the copper drip edge. As we began these repairs, we realized the roof had other issues as well that stopped the repair process, and now we're going to start replacing this roof. I want to point out the roof to wall locations. You can see where the copper is attached to the outside of the stucco. It's a really quick install for the roofer, which is why they chose that application. The stucco should have come over top of the wall flashing so that water can't push between the flashing and the wall. We're in the demo phase of this project, and once all the tile and underlayments have been removed, we're going to remove the copper at the roof to wall location as well in preparation for new copper wall metal. Once the new copper wall metal is installed, the stucco will go over top of the wall flashing, keeping it secure and watertight.
Give me an invoice for the tile too?
Yes.
I'll pay it one time?
Yep, I'll have Mark do it. I'll call him in a minute and tell him to put it together.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. I'll talk to you soon. Okay, bye. So once we have the tile removed and the old underlayments out of the way, we'll be able to inspect those roof to wall locations. More than likely, we're going to remove all of those areas, reflash them with new copper flashing. While we're doing that, we're going to be working on the 30-pound felt. The 30-pound felt is going to allow the plywood to breathe in the end. And while we're working on these areas, it's going to protect the home inside. With all the homes that I replace, when I'm doing someone's roof, I always make sure I have compatible products. I don't want to install something that is not going to last long term. In this situation, copper is our best choice. All right, the existing concrete tile roof has been removed. The plywood sheeting was re-nailed to code, and right now we have the 30-pound felt base sheet installed temporarily. We're gonna cut the existing wall flashing, remove it, make a cut into the stucco, install new wall flashing, new stucco, and then we'll be ready to hot mop over top the 30-pound felt base sheet. Now we have to temporarily waterproof the existing flashing, and we've done that using a modified roof cement, which is just bull. And that bull keeps water from getting behind the flashing temporarily as we set up to start the demo and the next stage of this job. We will use modified roof cement at roof to wall locations as well as the valleys to keep everything watertight. This gives us time to prep the roof prior to the hot mop application. Now you saw previously what this wall looked like before, and since then we've cut out the stucco, we've pulled out the old flashing, and we're now installing the new flashing to this wall. We always recommend replacing the wall flashing when you're replacing your entire roof system. In this case, the existing wall flashing was sitting on the outside of the wall. We always recommend putting the flashing behind whatever element may be on the wall. In this case, it was stucco. So the new stucco will now hide the new wall flashing. With this application, the wall flashing is now protected so that water can't work its way behind it. We're gonna protect this with new stucco, new masonry primer, and new paint. Now, when the rain hits this wall, this flashing will be protected. The water will hit the wall, it'll run down, it'll go behind the tile, it will exit out the new roof system. All right, so we've completed all the prep in this project. We've removed the rotten fascia, replaced it. We've removed the flashing as needed. We've installed new stucco, primed, painted, and we're now ready for tile. Recently, I had a potential customer ask me, what would you install if this was your mother's roof, when she was referring to a tile roof? I explained to her that I would first install a 30-pound felt base sheet, and in a location like this, I would then install copper accessory metals. Copper accessory metals including drip edge, valley, and wall flashing. You can see that already the copper has started to patina during the short time that it has been exposed to the elements. The next thing I would choose after the accessory metals are installed is I would go with a hot mop modified material over top of the 30-pound felt. The hot mop modified system is tried and true. These roofs are built to last. It's actually a commercial grade product designed to be exposed 365 days a year. Now with this premium install, we'll have no issues while we're waiting for the tile to be delivered. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, see ya.